Welcome, my dear student, in this tutorial. First, I would like to say welcome to my classroom of MEME Lab. Today we'll explain two of the most important experimental that we study in first course. But before that, I would like to say Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan generous to all of you, and I hope you stay safe, you and your family, from Corona, and I hope that Corona will go forever and never come back. So, my dear student, today we'll explain these two experimental, and we will use this Mr. Ahmed experimental. So, thank you, Mr. Ahmed. The first experimental we will explain is this experimental called Pulse Laser Deposition, PLD. And this is the chamber of this experimental. And the second experimental we will explain is this experimental called Chemical Vapor Deposition, CVD. And this is the furnace of this experimental. So, my dear student, I will gonna draw for you so that you can understand. But before that, I would like to excuse me. So, my dear student, we say the first experimental what? The first experimental is Pulse Laser Deposition. We mean pulse, we mean like not continuous, like pulse, like not continuous. We mean pulse like this. So, my dear student, I will draw the chamber. So, the instrument of this material is first, we need chamber. So, this is the chamber. This is what? The chamber. So, and we need target material. This is the target material. And we need the pulse laser deposition. This is the pulse laser. So, we need holder and with thin film material. This is what? This is thin film material. This is holder. So, by the way, my dear student, this chamber is what? Is vacuum. So, it has no air at all. We what? We point the laser on the target material and it will vaporize, leave burn mark. It will vaporize to the what? To the thin film material. And this thin film will be what? Will be semiconductor. You know, my dear student, what? Semiconductor. It means it sometimes conduct electricity and sometimes not. So, I hope, my dear student, you understand the first experimental. My dear student, I will not be long on you. I will be brief. So, we have the second experimental, and this is what? This is the second experimental. I will draw for you. We need first what? This experimental called CVD, Chemical Vapor Deposition. So, we need first furnace. It means like furnace. So this is the furnace. And we need 3 heater. This is what? This is 3 heater. So we need what? We need here what? A pressure sensor. This is what? A pressure sensor. And we have here what? We have this gas inlet. So the gases enter from here. And we have here the what? The exhaust. What? The exhaust, which the gas come out here. So this is the instrument of this experimental. I will gonna explain. My dear student, in this experimental, we need like 3 gases with a 3 different ratio. So, I mean, for example, we need what? O2, C2, H2. So, if we have, for example, 40% of O2 and we have 30% of C2 and H2 will be what? Will be 30% as well. So we mix the 3 gases and go inside the furnace for about like 30 minutes. And after that, the gases will burn and exhaust from here. So, I hope you, my dear student, understand this experimental. And me and Mr. Athir will reply to your question in the comment. I will make Mr. Athir post you this experimental. So, in the next time, inshallah, we will explain what? We'll explain this experimental called sensor. So, this experimental, my dear student, we're gonna use what? My friend Mr. Athir experimental for explaining this. So, my dear student, today you learned the most important experimental of the first course, and you're gonna have high mark in the final exam. Thank you, my dear student, for your time, and I hope you understand well. Goodbye.